Hey everyone, this is Namrata. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In today's video session, we will understand what Salesforce is, and we have Nana also with us who will help us understand with the demo. So if you recall in our previous video, we understood how to get started with Salesforce. So this video will help us to understand what Salesforce is. So now let us understand what is that. Salesforce is a world's #1 CRM platform. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So this CRM helps companies manage relationships with existing and the potential customer. So basically, Salesforce is designed in such a way that it helps our business to do better and track everything. So it makes very easy to use cloud-based application which help us to stay connected anytime and everywhere. So with Salesforce, we would just require just an internet to access the application. Using Salesforce, what you can do is you can sell your products in a faster way. You can collaborate and stay connected with your customers, provide your customer support to them, and help to market your products in a broader way. So this Salesforce is founded by Mark Benioff and Parker Harris in the year 1999. So it's an application which is accessible through any device as a cloud-based, which is software as a service or platform as a service. So we mainly categorize it as platform of as a service because using the platform, that is Salesforce platform, you can do a customization. That is why we categorize it as a platform as a service. So it is also a pay as you go model, which can be leveraged by small to large size organization. So now let's take a scenario and understand Salesforce in depth. Okay. So imagine CEO of SFDC company, which sells water purifier product, is looking for digital transformation to streamline the sales or support process, and it also likes to automate the business processes to improve the user productivity and customer experience. So we will now see how Salesforce has helped in that transformation. So before initiating a business with Salesforce, SFDC company might have all the informations captured in various ways, right? Like it can capture the information in the spreadsheet, or if you have any whiteboard, you could have updated all the details in your whiteboard or any other application. So it's like all your data, whatever you have it in your company for the SFDC one stop, it's all scattered across various applications, isn't it? So this is something which is not very efficient and may not have the real-time data always. So which ends up in closing the deals at a very low pace. So now with this digital age, it is required that we streamline this process. So this streamline of the process can happen using the Salesforce. So what we can do, this Salesforce, by using the Salesforce application, you can capture all the informations and you can keep it at a single place. So this helps us to sell the products very fast, very quick, and you can efficiently uh, you can efficiently sell your products, and it helps to increase your company revenue. So that's how SFDC One Stop Company can leverage the Salesforce application to sell the water purifier. So now using this application, what you can do is you can manage all your contacts, all your accounts, you can track your opportunities, and you can also understand whether your opportunities are closed won or closed routes. And you can also focus on the right deals at the right time, which helps you to close your deals very effectively. So now once all this is done, Salesforce can also be used to provide a world-class customer service to the customers. The earlier, whatever the process we discussed, it is a sales process. So now once the sales process is completed, and if you want to provide a world-class customer service to the customers, you can leverage the another product of Salesforce called as a service cloud. So overall, with the help of Salesforce, it helps you to increase your business. It helps you to increase your revenue. The platform is very flexible and it is very scalable according to your business need, and it helps you to improve the company performance and provide greater customer satisfaction. So likewise, like I said earlier, we have different products. There are different products like you have Sales Cloud, you have Service Cloud, you have Marketing Cloud. Likewise, you have different products which are provided by Salesforce. Now I would request Naina to give demo on Sales Cloud or the Service Cloud.
Yeah, thank you, Namrata. So as Namita explained, we have different products within Salesforce. Each product, for example, Sales Cloud can be used for sales process, Service Cloud can be used for service process or support process, and Community Cloud is no longer Community Cloud, it is rebranded as Experience Cloud.
Yep.
So let me quickly jump into demo. So if you are logging in for the first time, login at salesforce.com is the URL. As Namita explained, this is Salesforce is an application. You just need internet connection. You can access this application from any device. It could be mobile, it could be laptop, or it could be any such device, right? And if you are trying it for the first time, you can try for free. I have already logged into my application because I have already signed up earlier. And this is how the Salesforce application looks like after you key in your username and password. So this is the sales application. So you can create a number of application. And now coming to the sales application, I just wanted to quickly touch upon lead. In Salesforce, lead is nothing but potential customer. When we are talking about the sales process, we are looking for ways how do we improve the user productivity, and at the same time how do we have better customer experience. So in this case, for sales rep, it's very important you have all potential customers in one place. So this is how you can capture leads in Salesforce. You have a website, for example, Water Purifier is one such website. And let's say, suppose Namrata is a potential customer, and Namrata says that I'm interested in this product, then all those information she put in the website form, contact us form, and that information is captured as a lead in Salesforce. So this is nothing but potential customer. Now, talking about opportunity, like as Namita stated, you can track different deals in Salesforce, in which stage it is, and if you are able to successfully close a deal, the stage would be closed one. And if you are at the negotiation stage, or if you are still discussing and look and probably seeking time for more analysis, then you can choose the appropriate stage in opportunity. So likewise, you can also see how the account looks like. Like if you ask me how the flow is, once a lead is created, you convert this lead to a contact or opportunity or account. So this is how the flow is: account, contact, and opportunity. Opportunity is nothing but a potential deal. Once you close the opportunity, which means it becomes the customer, and you that way you increase the revenue. And under account, you can see all the information. Who are the contacts associated this account called as this one? So maybe I should choose different account on such. Second.
I think in a single account you will be able to view like what and all other who are the contacts associated
Right.
to that
Yeah,
account.
maybe I'll go with this
Yeah,
existing example. I was looking for other good example. Yeah, but the whole thing is you can have everything under one place. The contacts as a related list, opportunities under related list. So all those things you can easily see over here, right?
right.
Okay. So this is all about Sales Cloud, where you can track all such deals or all such potential customer in one place, and that is all about Sales Cloud. When it comes to when it comes to support process, how do you streamline the support process? In that case, what we do is, so this is how you can review the cases which has been opened by which has been opened by customer. For example, Namrata has purchased the water purifier. Earlier she was a potential customer. I was able to convince her, and I was able to make her as my customer. I created the account for her as well, and then she has seen one problem with the product. Then she raises a case. So that's how we can make Salesforce as consider Salesforce as 360 application for all the customers, because you can leverage it for sales process, you can leverage it for support process, and all such cases can be tracked over here. So this is one such cases, and over here, so this is the Experience Cloud side. Over here, what customers can do is customer can directly chat with the agent, and all the agents are configured on the Service Cloud. So this is a Service Cloud product which we are seeing here. And once you click on chat with an expert, you will see that you will have to key the basic details, and that's how I can easily understand whether you are the existing customer, or how what kind of product you have purchased. All those things I can easily check in my Service Cloud application. So this entire site which you're seeing is built using Experience Cloud. And Namrata has done a very detailed number of videos in Experience Cloud, which explains a lot of different topics. So you can go through that. So this is a very quick demo. I just wanted to uh, demonstrate today. Anything else, Namrata, that you would like to
No,
check?
I think that is awesome, Naina. Thank you so much for walking us through on the entire quick demo on the sales process as well as the service process. And I think you also showed the Experience Cloud or the Community Cloud. So whatever the site you
Yeah.
just seen, that is a Experience Cloud. So we talked about the Sales Cloud. We also talked about the Service Cloud, right? So let's slightly understand, I mean, briefly understand what is an Experience Cloud. So using this Experience Cloud, what you can do is, as you have seen in the demo, you can build a vibrant, engaging community for our customers, or it could be your partners. So basically, when you build this community, what you can do is you can collaborate and you can share the information who are very key to our business processes. So that is the importance of using the Experience Cloud. Likewise, we have various cloud like Marketing Cloud. It is mainly used to create a personalized one-to-one journeys, using which you can create powerful campaigns that helps us to generate the leads. Once you generate a lead, as Naina explains, that's how the sales process gets initiated. And there are various clouds like Health Cloud, you have Financial Cloud, you have Analytics Cloud. Likewise, we have many more clouds which are provided by the Salesforce. So with Salesforce being a cloud-based, all our information is up to date in real time, and it is available everywhere. I think that's all we have for today's session, Naina. I hope this session, it is helpful to anyone who wanted to understand what Salesforce is and how Salesforce can make a difference. And this Salesforce has emerged into the world's best class CRM application. You would like to add anything, Naina,
Yeah,
here?
one quick thing. So this is a record that I was trying to show you all. So this is the customer call as SFTC one-stop water purifier, and this is the customer for which we have seen how Namrata was initially the lead, how she was converted to contact, and we could see these are the two opportunities. These are still open opportunities. One is at analysis stage, and the other one is at negotiation stage. And if you look at the opportunity in detail, if you look at the details section, you would see when am I targeting for closing this opportunity. 31st December is my target date. And what is the revenue that I will get from this particular opportunity? Like when I close a deal, which means I'm increasing my revenue to with an additional 50,000 USD. So this is, and you can also see the probability for every opportunity. Once the opportunity is at negotiation stage, if you look at here, these are different stages: prospect, qualification, needs analysis. Accordingly, the probability would also vary. And once you reach it to this stage, which is the last stage, before you either close a deal as won or lost, this is the last stage. The probability is 90%, which means this will certainly become our customer. So that's how this Salesforce application can be leveraged to increase your revenue, improve the user productivity, improve the sales reps productivity, and ultimately improve the customer experience as well. Yeah, I think that
Exactly.
is all I have, Namrata.
Sure. I think, yeah, that's all. Thank you so much, Naina, for walking us through. I think whatever the application you have showed, it is 360 view, right? Wherein it has all the details about the contacts, the opportunities you closed, and whether he's a potential, how much is the revenue. So everything in the single view. Thank you so much, Naina. So I think
Yeah,
that's
and
all.
one last
Mm-hmm.
thing, please do, if you're looking for detailed videos of Service Cloud and Experience Cloud, Namrata has done good number of videos. Please go ahead and watch that out. And if you find this video to be informative, please do subscribe, like, and share your feedback in the comment section of this video.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks everyone for taking your time and watching all our videos. We really appreciate all your feedback that you have been providing. I think you guys have provided a wonderful feedback that has helped us, and motivated us to come up with lot of new topics. So we will come up with another new topic in our next video. Until then, signing off, Namrata Kariyala. Thanks,
Yeah,
Naina.
thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye. Please do
Bye.
like and share.
Thanks. Bye bye.